girls, and welcome to Splash Safari! Alright, now the show will begin in a few short minutes, but before that, just a few gentle reminders, okay? Now, first of all,
Iyak. Natakot yung sila yun.
Baby, ikaw mas baby. Takot na sila.
well, ladies and gentlemen, that's the Yahoo! Welcome you to Splash Safari! Alright. Now, sea lions, they are fascinating creatures. They can live both in water and on land. They can swim very fast, as fast as a moving car. That's about what, 40 kilometers per hour? And they can dive to depth of 100 and they can you hold on, yeah? Let me see. Okay. Good morning, Raven.
Morning, Sunny.
I'm trying to speak to them and what's happening?
Sunny is a bit upset with you.
He's upset with me, but why?
He mentioned you forget something important about him.
No. Oh. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I feel to mention that sea lion, especially Tiago over here, is intelligent and good looking. Oh, shy are you? Alright, now let's show them how strong those sweepers are. Weaver! Sweepers stand! For those of you who missed that, get your cameras ready one more time. Alright, now, many people mistook sea lions for another creature called the true seal. So right here, Tiago is going to show you how a true seal looks on land and how a true seal moves on land. Now sea lions are much more versatile than that. Right here, he's going to show you a few moves. Wave out. Speed. There you go. A little bit of a dance over there. He's pretty hard.
Ay, sumapalang pang ba?
Now you have seen how strong those slippers are. Do you want to see how fast he can swim?
Yes.
Come on! You want to see how fast he can swim? Alright, Tiago, let's show them how fast you can swim. Raven, what's happening? How come today you got a lot of complaint? How come? So what? Singapore Sea Lion.
Sunny mentioned he's not very comfortable going in.
But why? He's a sea lion.
He mentioned earlier on he saw something big, something scary in the pool.
You saw something big and scary in the pool, but I've already checked the pool, there's nothing big and scary. Do you all see anything big and scary in the pool? Alright, but never mind. Let me check, okay? Oh, nothing this side. Nothing this side. Look at that, he doesn't trust me, he also wants to check. Come on, Tiago, there's nothing big in the pool. Let's show them how far. A shark? If that is not here having for breakfast, come on. Let's show some speed. Now that's what I'm talking about. And with this streamlined body, a belly slide. Oh, oh.
Baby, ito na.
Alright. Now, focus your attention to our trainer, Raven. Now, what he has got there is called a ball target. Now, what Tiago is going to do is going to dive into the water, leap out, and touch the ball. It's called Alright, now this is called the corkscrew. The reason being is that they have this thin membrane covering their eyes, which enables them to open up their eyes in the water.
Let's go, gusto mag-swim. Gusto yata mag-swim.
Stop, and you have seen how fast he can swim. So right now, we are going to show you how intelligent the sea lion is. So what's going to happen is that Raven is going to place a juicy piece of fish right in front of Tiago. Hold on. Let him settle down. Fish off. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you know, sea lions, they cannot resist fish, right? Now, Tiago can see the fish. He can smell the fish. He can almost taste the fish. Yum, yum, yum. But, he is not going to take that fish until he hears a signal from his trainer, which is, I repeat, which is a single clap. Now you all can try to clap as much as you want to distract him. Come on, let's try. Wait, sorry. I forgot, I did mention one single clap, didn't I tell you what, okay, wait. Let's do this together, okay? On the count of 3, I want everybody to clap once, together. Can we do that? Yeah, okay. Hands up. 1, 2, 3. I love it. Some too fast, some too slow, some very slow. You try that again. Hands up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You are so easy to train. Hey, sorry, no fish for you. Alright, we could all know. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's intelligence and self-control. So the reason why he did not take that fish is because he knows he's gonna get a whole lot more for a job well done. There you go. Alright, now that was really awesome, right? Millions of animals die because of plastic. They swallow, they choke, and they die. So please do not litter into the ocean. Besides that, fishing lines or even fishing nets that are left behind by fishermen, they get entangled onto the flippers of the sea lion. And what happens? Damage is done. Damage such as a broken flipper. Now that is how a sea lion moves with a broken flipper, and that really hurts. Besides that, fishing nets that are left behind, they get entangled, they drown, and they die. See? There you go. Then don't want to come out. Ah, I know, he wants a big round of applause. There you go. So right here, right now, Tiago wants to tell us that we have to recycle. So instead of using plastic bags, we can use canvas bags. Canvas bags such as these. There you go. Now canvas bags like this, they are very strong and they can be recycled. Now besides that, he also wants to tell us that we have to use our own reusable water bottle. Now the Singapore Zoo supports people who bring their own water bottle. We have water fountain all over the zoo for you to fill up your own feeding. So we have to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, sea lions have been seen doing this in the wild to escape from predators such as killer whales and sharks. This is called porpoising.